Welcome to our channel. Today we how to install Semrush tools for keyword research and content planning step by step clearly. Begin by visiting the official Semrush website. Locate the sign up button on the home page. Click on the sign up button to create an account. Fill in the required information, such as your email address and password. Alternatively, you can sign up using your Google account for easier access. Once your account is created, log in to your Semrush dashboard. Familiarize yourself with the user interface for a better experience. Now, navigate to the Keyword Research tool in the main menu. Click on Keyword Overview to start finding keywords. Enter a keyword or phrase related to your niche in the search bar. Click on the Search button to analyze the keyword. Review the data provided, including search volume, keyword difficulty, and trends. Use this information to choose the best keywords for your content. Next, go back to the main menu and select Keyword Magic tool. Here, you can explore related keywords and long-tail variations. Enter your primary keyword again in the search bar. Click Search to uncover additional keyword ideas. Filter the results by metrics like search volume and difficulty to refine your options. Now, you can add the chosen keywords to a project for future use. Click on the checkbox next to each keyword you wish to select. Then, click on the Add to Keyword List button. Proceed to the Content Planning tools by navigating back to the main menu. Select SEO Content Template to generate a content brief. Enter your primary keyword to get started. Review the recommended guidelines and top-performing content examples. This will help structure your content effectively. Once you have analyzed the recommendations, move to the Topic Research tool. Enter your keyword to discover popular subtopics and questions. Gather ideas on what to include in your content based on audience interest. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.